Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to the Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and perks, they're available on Amazon, Alibaba and AliExpress. You just visit these websites. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. We've got this air freshener. This is a doormat. We've got this small vacuum cleaner. We've got this appliance. You can use it as a safe, and you can also use it for charging your mobile phone. We've got this tool you can use for compressing plastic bags. This is a plastic closet you can use for organizing your shoes. It's really helpful. We've got this electric kettle you can use for heating water. This is a small juicer. You can use it for making different types of juice. This is a plastic dispenser you can use for storing grains. We've got these small boxes you can use for spices. This is a rack you can use for dispensers in your bathroom. We've got this small wallet you can use for glasses. We've got this plastic tool you can use for umbrellas. We've got this foam you can use for cleaning your sneakers. This is a small pen. It's really convenient. You can use it anywhere at home. We've got this air fryer you can use for cooking pizza, maybe chicken or chicken wings. You can also use it for cookies or cakes. We've got this rack you can use for sandals. We've got this electric file you can use for your heels. We've got these hooks you can use for your socks. We've got this plastic box you can use for your cell bars. We've got this cutter you can use for vegetables and fruits. This is another beautiful apartment. We're gonna see the tools this lady is using in her apartment. We've got this tool you can use for brushing off your clothes. We've got this electric tub you can use for having massage. We've got this electric file you can use for your heels. This juicer you can use for making different types of juice. We've got this air fryer.